The most powerful idea I've ever heard on YouTube, I've never heard anybody else say this. It's make every impression you have count. Almost everybody on YouTube only thinks about views, about getting somebody to actually click the video and watch the video. And they'll often waste their impressions trying to get someone to click the video. For example, if you make a title that says, I did this with my YouTube channel and that happened, you're basically wasting your impressions because you're not communicating any genuinely useful ideas directly in your title or thumbnail. But my philosophy is that I want to make every single time my thumbnail comes out there and my title is seen by someone, I want to communicate value to them, even if they don't click my video. And here's a great example of how this plays out in the YouTube studio. So most people would like, look, I started a new YouTube coach channel. In the last 28 days, got a couple thousand views on regular videos like this. And then I've started putting out shorts. So now I've got like 6,000 views on shorts. Now, what you've noticed, I've got 6.8K views on shorts and 2.7K views on longs. However, I've got 77,000 impressions. And this is why your YouTube impressions, to me, these need to carry a message right here. Because on the surface, you might think, oh, well, you know, it's having a couple thousand views on a small YouTube coach channel is worthless, right? You might even think like, why bother? I mean, my top video in the last 28 days has 242 views that it's gotten. It actually has more than that on the video, but that's what it was an older video. Then the next video, 196. On the surface, you would look at this and think it's pretty worthless, right? Like, you know, a couple thousand views, but I've communicated 77,000 times with people in my titles and thumbnails. So what I think when I'm making a long form video is how can I communicate a valuable idea to people directly in my thumbnail and title? Like this video, I'm communicating the idea that on YouTube, you need to make every impression count and not be just doing your titles and thumbnails all about getting views, but make it so every time somebody sees your thumbnail and sees your title, it could change their life. I've had videos that I never even watched before, but they communicated an idea on their title and on their thumbnail that was useful in one way or another. Like I've seen some videos that were talking about how dating is a humiliation ritual. I didn't watch those videos, but I thought about what the title and the thumbnail communicated, and I could identify with that. I'm like, yeah, it does feel like that a lot of times. So this is why when you're on YouTube with doing long format videos, to me, long format videos are the easiest way to communicate the ideas you have. And if you start thinking like, how can I communicate my ideas with people? You'll find that almost every single channel, no matter how small, gives you an abundant opportunity to try and communicate in the raw impressions that are served. Even if your videos don't seem like they're getting very many actual views, the chance for the impressions is huge. Like, look at this channel. So this is another small channel I started. All my channels I started within the last 90 days because I deleted everything last year. This channel, all right, this is a channel that's not monetized. Another channel that people might look at and pass by saying, oh, it's got 9,000 views, not much happening here. And that's with me putting up, as you can see, videos most days throughout the month. And I'm starting to test shorts on this channel too. But for some reason, the shorts haven't worked that well on this channel. But on this, I've got 113,000 impressions on this channel. Again, not anything more than 1,000 views on any individual video, but I'm communicating ideas. Now look at this video as a great example. I communicated a valuable idea in this video. It says my net worth is negative 200,000, and then it says I'm rich. And the title is how I feel rich while my net worth is plummeting. What a valuable idea I communicated to people, even though if you look at the views, it got 825 views, but I communicated that idea 6,000 times to people. And that's what you really want to think on YouTube is what idea can I communicate to people, even if they don't click the video? And I'd encourage you, start making your videos with that in mind. It's pretty self-centered to try and hide stuff in videos and to trick people into clicking on your content and to demand that people put their time and energy into watching your specific videos. To me, what will build goodwill with people is to communicate valuable ideas, because even if you don't actually watch, even if most people are going to see this are not actually even going to watch my video, but if I communicated an idea that was useful, then the next video someone sees, they're going to be more likely to click it. This is how you build a reputation with people before they even click your videos. Lots of times, people have to see your videos several times, unless you have just some clickbait garbage title. And then those are often difficult to deliver on. Like, I see so many people in the YouTube coaching space, just absolute clickbait garbage titles, useless information in the video that Google Gemini could have given me tips for that in 10 minutes. I'm like, come on, man. You're literally just copying and pasting crap. You put some clickbait title and, I leave your channel thinking you totally wasted my time. That's what you don't want to do. And with a lot of the clickbait titles, even though they do work to get people to watch, they're not making a good long-term impression with people. This is why you see YouTube coaches come and go so much over time, where somebody gets one video that goes up, then they seem like they're an authority, then they get more people watching. But over time, nobody tends to keep engaging with their content because it's pretty useless crap. And then they're gone. Like there have been so many YouTube coaches that have cave and went over the last 10 years. People that often had, hundreds of thousands of views on every single video and were selling courses, and they're just wiped out today. They're nowhere. They were a fraud the whole time. They're just using paid ads to push their channels. And every one of their videos was just trying to sell them as an authority. So this is a different mindset. And when you can give people actual useful information in every title and thumbnail, first and foremost, then you're going to lay the foundation to build an audience that loves you and respects you over time. That every time they see your videos, it's like, oh, Jerry gave me a valuable idea in that title and thumbnail, even if I didn't watch it. Jerry cares enough about me to not just hide the information inside his video, but to actually just give me the information directly. And if you look at most of my titles, look at my titles. This is exactly what I'm doing. And in the short term, you might be able to write it off and say, well, so what? Like now, like this one, I did, solve the biggest problem for content creators. And sadly, I get some more views in the short term, but that didn't communicate a very important idea. Here's an example though. Look, I went on this one. The only YouTube strategy you need, upload daily. Like I communicated that. And on the surface, like, okay, I got 48 views, but I communicated that idea to almost 1,000 people. Go back here. The only YouTube that just upload 100 videos with bad titles and worse thumbnails. Just upload no matter what. This video communicated that message to 1,500 people. Then I have communicated ideas like how old videos can become a searchable content archive. Talked about getting AI to sell for you. Your old videos are worth more than your next upload. And I intend to do this more sometimes on my titles and thumbnails. I've gotten into that clickbait crap myself. Here's one. YouTube is for pros. Instagram is for amateurs. Communicating to 2,000 people the value of YouTube. And another one. Stop making long form videos. Build a series instead. Communicated that to 2,000 people. So I look at on every one of my videos, first and foremost, like this one, I use the first frame as my YouTube thumbnail. I just gave people a totally new way to think about the YouTube thumbnail. 4,500 impressions on that. So here's one. How Google Ads poisoned my YouTube organic traffic. Communicated that 1,000 times. Thus, if you can make every impression count, you can stop obsessing over your views and your watch time in the short term and start thinking about how can I communicate value to people. And if you keep communicating value over and over again to people, at some point, you're going to have somebody that comes in and is very excited to watch your videos because you already helped them 5 times with videos they didn't watch. You gave them an idea that they remembered. And then when they actually come in and watch one of your videos, you're likely to have a lifelong super fan instead of some casual viewer that got trapped in some clickbait title and can't wait to get out of your funnel. So if you found this useful, the best, deepest experience you can have with me if you want to build a life that you don't have to escape based on knowing technology like YouTube, crypto, AI, based on a well-rounded life of health, sobriety, dating, relationships, money. I have all that on YouTube, even gaming. And I have one single community at jerrybanfield.com you can join where you can direct message me anytime. If you want help on YouTube, I am the best mentor that's available for I am the best value that's available to you immediately as a mentor on YouTube. It will change everything for you when you join this group. You can have a one-on-one Zoom call with me included for the first 25 members of the group. I will look at your channel, give you personalized feedback. We could even explore doing a video together. I have my AI trained in here, and I'll give you shout outs and promotions when you join on my videos as a thank you. Appreciate you watching. I'm looking forward to getting to know you in my group, the Jerry Banfield family at jerrybanfield.com.